Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Rosanna Pansino's perfect chocolate chip cookies. First, let's combine our dry ingredients. Grab a large bowl and add 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly, then set them aside. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. Melt 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter. In a stand mixer, cream the melted butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. Mix until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, add 1 large egg, 1 extra egg yolk, and 2 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Now it's time to bring it all together. Slowly add the dry ingredient mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on a low speed until a thick dough forms. Next, gently fold in 1 cup of your preferred chocolate chips. Once combined, cover the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. This step is crucial for the perfect texture. Finally, let's bake these delicious cookies. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Scoop about 3 tablespoons of chilled dough for each cookie, rolling them into tall balls. Place them 2 inches apart on the sheet. Bake for 11 to 13 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. They may look slightly undone, but will set as they cool. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.